Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create your own NFT step by step and how to monetizing your NFT. Don't forget subscribe and like the video. Step 1. Choose a digital file. Every NFT is a digital file and you need to have a file in an acceptable format. As long as they are under 100 MB, these formats are typically accepted among marketplaces and blockchains.
JPG, MP3, MP4, PNG, GIF, WAV, OBB, GLB.
Many NFT are static art pieces, but they can be videos or GIF. Creators can pair music and art, creating an audiovisual NFT. Pixel art means video game characters, and trading cards are all genres to consider. When designing the NFT, know that copyright and intellectual property rights apply. If you take someone else's artwork and mint it with the intention to sell it, you could run into legal trouble. If you're not an artist or don't have the capability to create your own unique digital file, then you can commission someone to create an art NFT for you. Step 2. Choose an NFT marketplace. One of the most important steps in creating an NFT is choosing a marketplace. Check that it sells your preferred NFT category, has a reputable blockchain, and offers the royalty percentage you want. Crypto.com NFT or Binance NFT Marketplace and more NFT Marketplace. Step 3. Set up a crypto wallet. When you're involved in cryptocurrency and digital assets, you need a crypto wallet. A crypto wallet is software or hardware designed to hold, send or display cryptocurrency and NFT, and most are free to use. When you make an NFT, there's a transaction fee for putting the digital file on the blockchain, so you'll need some crypto in the wallet to cover that fee. In terms of what cryptocurrency you need, it depends on the blockchain. For example, Ethereum transaction fees, called gas fees, are paid in Ethereum. There are many different wallets to choose from. However, the marketplace you choose to mint your file may require a specific wallet. Some popular wallets include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Ledger, Atomic Wallet, and Exodus. There are also different types of wallets. Hot Wallet involves downloading a browser extension, is always online, and typically free software. May be more prone to online hacks, though. Cold Wallet, external hardware that's only online when plugged in, and could run you between $60 to $200 or more. More secure since they're not always online, but may be a hassle for users that prefer mobile trading. Custodial, a wallet where a third party holds and protects your wallet's private keys for you. Non-custodial, you're in control as to how and where your private keys are stored. Step 4. Buy crypto. To tokenize a digital file and put it on a blockchain, you have to pay a gas fee to finalize the transaction. Depending on the marketplace you choose, you need some type of cryptocurrency to cover the gas fees. These fees vary by the second. Buying cryptocurrency starts with having a wallet and finding an exchange. Exchanges vary in what coins they offer, but you can count on almost everyone having Bitcoin and Ethereum. Once you're signed up with the exchange and connect your digital wallet, simply deposit funds in the approved methods and select the currency you want. Step 5. Mint your NFT. Once you have a wallet and connect it to the marketplace of your choice, you can start the process of minting your NFT. Most marketplaces are clear on where to go to mint an NFT, with clear buttons like Create NFT or Mint NFT. Common steps in minting an NFT include creating an account with the marketplace, uploading your digital file, fleshing out the details of the NFT like title and description, paying the gas fee for interacting with the blockchain. Once the file is minted, the NFT is either held in your account with the marketplace or sent directly to your crypto wallet. Monetizing your NFT. Now that you've gone all this way to make your NFT, the next step is to figure out what to do with it. Many NFT creators get into the space to earn money from selling their NFT. The simplest way to do that is by minting the NFT on a blockchain with smart contract functionality, so you can earn royalties on subsequent sales. Before you choose a marketplace, compare royalty percentages so you can get the most bang for your buck. However, Try not to set the royalty percentage too high, such as higher than 40%, so that buyers and sellers see resale value in your NFT. Consider these use cases for NFT. Selling. You can list your NFT for sale on the marketplace. Many marketplaces have multiple selling methods, or at the very least, fixed sales or auction sales. Flipping. Some NFT can appreciate in value, dependent on many factors like rarity, creator ethos, and ownership history. You can try your hand at buying and selling NFT in hopes to earn. Use in the metaverse. Metaverse games like the Sandbox and Decentraland allow players to make their own digital assets to be used in the game. A metaverse game may have its own creation software so users can create NFT wearables, furnishings, avatars, usernames, and more to be sold on the marketplace. Create collections. Collections are very popular in the NFT space. Large NFT collections typically follow a theme but have varying attributes, rarity, and features. Bored Ape Yacht Club and CryptoPunks are famous examples of 10K NFT collections. Display. You can display your NFT in your crypto wallet, use them as a profile picture on Twitter, or even curate your own NFT art collection in the metaverse. How much does it cost to make an NFT? Making an NFT means paying transaction fees for interacting with the blockchain. When you're dealing with an NFT, expect to pay gas when buying, selling, minting, or listing an NFT. This fee is paid in the blockchain's native cryptocurrency. A gas fee is like a processing fee. The fee is used to power the blockchain and keep things moving. Processing transactions on blockchains requires power, so those interacting with the blockchain pay a fee. Gas fees can vary depending on the time of day, the complexity of the transaction, congestion of the network, and the processing speed. A single transaction could cost you anywhere from $1 to $1,000, depending on which blockchain you choose and the previously mentioned factors. And if you pay someone to create the digital file that's going to be made into an NFT, that's another cost to keep in mind.